TEDx Aruba takes place in September, but there are multiple inspiring sessions leading up to September 23rd, 2015. The first one is being held this Wednesday, and it is all about how startups can benefit the economic standings of this island. Paolo and John will be hosting the inspiring session on Wednesday. Their expertise is with startups.
The first thing is, what are startups? There's a lot of fizz about it. There are different ways of talking about startups. The way we define it is that startups help creating a better world because they are challenging existing markets. They try, as a small company, to grow really fast into a company that has an impact within a market. Airbnb is a really big example, I think. They changed the market for staying when you are traveling.
Aruba is capable of joining the startup movement in order to build another economic pillar for the island.
Startups all over the world are the thing that are motivating people, the economies, that are pushing the economies, and we think Aruba's location and the direction we want to go into is key to Aruba's next economic pillar. If we want to put ourselves out there and be the hub between Europe, America, and South America, we have to start thinking about doing startups, technology companies, not only green companies.
Wednesday's session will inform various attendees on aspects regarding startups, what works, what doesn't, and how people on the island with great ideas should go about executing a plan for a startup.
First of all, we're going to explain, of course, what startups are, but also their significance, why they are important, their disruptive power, and that, well, basically anybody can start a company with a good idea and also with a good climate behind it. That's what we want to provide, of course. And we're going to not only tell them how important it is, but also inspire them with stories and examples and show them the way.
Other topics will be discussed as well.
On the other hand, we want to talk about disruption. So why is this happening? Why are small companies able to change a market so quickly? So we're going to talk about the components that are really important when you want to start a company. And thirdly, we're going to talk about sustainable startups. So we're going to give really, I think, inspiring examples for what you can do with this.
Tickets for the Wednesday Inspiring session are 50 florins each. There is a special rate for students at 15 florins per person. Register online at www.tedxaruba.com. On the next edition of the show, we will get into why Aruba needs a platform such as TEDx. The men will be put on the hot seat explaining why it is more effective to invest in TEDx rather than building another windmill, let's say, or investing in something that will actually bring concrete results. So be sure to join us.